is Yuki Yuen Z. Today we are going to make Brie and Pear sourdough. It is so delicious and satisfying. The sweetness of the caramelized pears, the creamy, buttery and nutty flavor of the brie, and the aroma of the herb are just a perfect match. It is simple and easy to make, either for your breakfast or the snack in the afternoon. Let's check out the ingredients. We need some butter, some fresh thyme, a loaf of sourdough or other type of bread that you like, 2 white pears, a slice of brie, maple syrup or other type of sugar that you like, and some black pepper. Cut sourdough into slices. I always buy a whole loaf of bread as they will dry out easily if they are already sliced. Plus, you can cut them into the thickness according to your need. Spread a generous amount of butter onto the bread. Put them upside down in a pan or a tray as we want the butter side to be heated directly so that they can become crispy. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Next, cut pears into thin slices. This is the key as they would be cooked easily and generate flavor and sweetness. Trust me, you don't want thick, raw, and cold pear slices on your hot toast. Put them on sourdough and yes, make them pretty! Now it's time to cut some brie slices. Place them on the pear. If you're a brie lover like me, you can put more. Now, add some fresh thyme on your toast. It will enhance the flavor of your toast, make it refreshing. But remember don't overdo it Less is more. Then, here comes my favorite step. Drizzle maple syrup on the toast. It is so satisfying and I just love doing it. Grind some black pepper to give them a hint of spices to finish. And now they are good to go into oven. Let them cook for 12 minutes using fan force. And the rest is to let the heat does the magic. Look at that! This is insane! The sourdough is crispy, the pear slices are caramelized, they are soft and sweet. Melted brie is buttery, nutty, and the flavor is enhanced by the fragrance of thyme and maple syrup. Now my house is filled with this sweet, cheesy, and lovely smell making people's mouth watering. My husband loves it, my friends love it. I love to enjoy this brie and pear sourdough with a cup of good latte, and they always make my day. Guys, this recipe is simple and easy to prepare. You can make this to impress your loved one or just simply as a treat to yourself. I hope you enjoyed these videos and please comment below, tell me about what you think. 下次見啦! See you in the next video.